Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kanita Merasa Sabila from Tax Administration Vocational Program, University of Indonesia. In this presentation, I will discuss about why taxes are important for the country. First, I will explain to you about what is tax. According to the laws number 28, Article 1, Paragraph 1, taxes are compulsory contribution to the state that are owed by individuals or entities of a coercive nature, based on the law without receiving direct compensation and used for the greatest prosperity of the people. According to this law, it is stated that tax is a mandatory contribution by an individual or entity, where the contribution is collected in the form of tax revenue. The explanation here shows that it is the people who certainly have an important role in tax revenue for a contribution made to the state. The definition of tax also emphasizes that the mandatory contribution is compelling for all citizens. However, it should also be noted that all citizens are required to pay taxes. Meanwhile, experts state there are five definitions of tax, namely, number one, taxes must be regulated by law. Number two, when paying taxes, there is no contestation against the taxpayer. Number three, taxes are only collected by officer authorized by the state. Number four, taxes are allocated for government spending. Number five, tax has a regulating function. Next, I will explain to you about the function of tax. Number one, as a budget function. One of the main tasks of the state is to carry out national development, such as providing health facilities, education, infrastructure, and other public services. Number two, as a function to regulate. This one tax function reflects a country economic policy. One example is the 0.5% final tax rate policy, which is regulated through laws number 23 of 2018. Through this policy, the government wants to reduce the tax burden of MSME players while attracting MSME players to enter the tax system. Number three, as a function for stability. Taxes also have a stability function that plays an important role in the balance of a country's economy, such as overcoming inflation and deflation. One example of the stability function is seen when the rupiah exchange rate decreases against the US dollar. If the government wants to use taxes as an instrument of economic stability, the government can issue tax policies that support the strengthening of the rupiah, such as increasing import duties and import VAT. And then the tax function number four as a function for income redistribution. One explanation that is often associated with the redistribution function is the use of taxes to create jobs. With the increase in employment opportunities, the more labor absorption will be so that people's income can be obtained evenly. This is a brief explanation of what taxes are and their important function for the development of the nation and the state. Then, we can know that taxes are the main source of state revenue. Without taxes, most state activities are difficult to implement. The use of tax money includes from personal expenses to financing various development projects. The construction of public facilities such as roads, bridges, school, hospital, police station is financed using money derived from taxes. Tax money is also used for financing in order to provide a sense of security for all levels of society. Every citizen, from birth to death, enjoys facilities or services from the government, all of which are financed by money derived from taxes. It is thus clear that the role of tax revenue for a country is very dominant in supporting the running of the government and financing development. So, obediently paying taxes will get the following benefits. First, public facilities and infrastructure, such as roads, bridges, schools, hospitals. And then, defense and security such as buildings, weapons, housing, and salaries. After that, food and fuel subsidies. Next, environmental and cultural preservation, election fund, and finally, mass transportation development and others. Of the characteristic of developed countries is if the public's awareness of paying taxes is high, close to 100%. If the 50 million who have not paid taxes have already paid their obligation, Indonesia will certainly be more advanced than now. Various approaches can be made to determine the level of awareness and voluntary concern of taxpayers. Indication of the high level of awareness and concern of the taxpayer include: Number 1. The realization of tax revenue is fulfilled in accordance with the predetermined target. Number 2. High level of compliance with annual SPT. Next, number 3. High tax ratio. Number 4. Increasing number of new taxpayers. After that, number 5. The low number of taxpayer arrests or claims. Finally, number 6. Orderly, obedient, and disciplined in paying taxes or the minimum number of violation of the fulfillment of tax obligation. As you can see, the tax function is very large and also very broad, so don't underestimate this tax anymore and cause the intention to delay making this tax payment. Even though the function of taxes is not only useful for the state, but also for the individuals who pay and the wider community. For example, as a business owner, knowing the function of taxes will also increase your knowledge about where the money you pay to the state has been channeled. So, the conclusion of this presentation is, because the role of taxes is very important for the development of the country and is used to finance many public facilities, it is also used for the provision of facilities for the less fortunate people. By paying taxes, you have participated in improving the quality of the country. Okay, thank you so much for your great attention. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.